Hi everyone, in this video I will how to create multiple accesses on Roblox. First of all, you have to go to roblox.com on browser. So go to roblox.com on browser. Fine. So once you're here, guys, if you want to equip multiple accessories, if you're on mobile, you have to make sure to enable the desktop mode. Now just need to go to a Avatar editor. I'll show you how can you equip multiple accessories. Just go to accessories and choose fixed accessories. And as you can see, I have selected multiple accessories at once. How did I do that basically? So let me unselect all of them at once. Let me unselect all of them. And now if I'm trying to select multiple one, you can see that it doesn't work. So this is a trick, guys, you can do to select all of them. How can you do that? Just select one of them. Now right click on a new accessories, copy the link address. Now open a new tab and paste it over here. Paste it over here. And just copy the link of asset ID. Copy the asset ID of the new accessories and go back to the Roblox editor, and you will find here advanced tab here, and click on and in the blank asset ID and paste it over here. You can right click on it to paste it, and now just need to click on save button and click on save again to save the accessories. And as you can see, I have selected now two accessories. So now if I'm trying to select the other one in the similar manner, you can do that. Right click on again and copy the link address, go to the new tab, paste it over here, and just copy the asset ID. And if you go back and click on advanced and click on a blank asset ID and click it over here, click on save and click on save again. And as you can see, we have saved successfully accessories, and now you can see that I have selected multiple accessories at once. Fine, so hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.